In terms of sport application for the neuromuscular system, this is used in all sports as this is what tells muscles to contract throughout all sporting activities. For example, during a football game, the neuromuscular system would be required throughout, as this helps to decide what fibres are needed at different times, which is needed in the football as this sport requires working at many different intensities and different phases of play. For example, when counter-attacking, you would be working at a high intensity, meaning that the brain will have to recruit large amounts of these fast fibres in order to allow the body to work at this intensity. In addition to this, there are also other stages where both fibres would be required instead. As well as this, the control of movement would also be needed in football, as this is what helps our body move and contract as we want. As well as this helps our body respond to commands, which is needed in football, as if you heard someone shout pass, this impulse would be sent through your body, just like responding to the shout of go at the beginning of these tests. The neuromuscular system is heavily influential in football to not just recruit the correct fibres and send the correct impulses to parts of the body, but also to control movement and allow our bodies to perform the action we would like them to do, and therefore making us successful in all sports, in particular football.